sir, pizza.
Cheese pizza.
Dito masyadong luto. Okay, luto ulit.
Say hi! Ikaw naman. Say hi! Ay, sus, hi! Galing naman ng baby na yan. Hi! Ano? Balloon? You want balloon? Huh? Yung diaper niya, kuya.
Sino ba yung mga ano?
Savior! Can I have some ice cream? Can I have some ice cream? Okay.
There's a ice cream falling down. Oh my god.
Hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah. Hi.
Picture mo tayo. Kahit saan.
What do you want?
I want the strawberry with pandan and with mango. What kind of ice cream is that?
This strawberry?
Yes,
In a car or in a cup?
in a cup.
So what again?
I want the strawberry
Okay.
and mango and with pandan. Pandan and the mango. And I want berries for the toppings.
How many berries?
I want 3 berries and 1 strawberry.
2 berries? Can you do math?
Thank you. How much is that?
It's $5.
$5. Okay. Here's your $5. Thank you.
Ulit sila sa bukid.
Go. Xavier, say hi. Hi. Jaja, be careful po may baby po. Tanahan ate. Yeah. Yeah. Kuya. Dito tayo. Cellphone mo. Ouchie! 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 Yay! Weh! Happy ka? Dali, jump! Buta doon! Tayo mo siya. Ayan na kaya tita. Jump, jump na doon. Dali! Dali! Jump, jump! Ganun o. Amber. Ganun o. Ganun. Yan. Dali. Oh, go. Dali. Punta na to kay auntie. Oh, jump, jump na ikaw doon. Oh, jump na, jump. Dali. Oh, danda na may baby, ha? Oh, jump. Amber, go. Yay! Yeah. Oh, may baby, 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 baby. Ay, sus. Wow. Baby mo siya, ah?